Investing is a major goal for many, as it's a popular way to make your money work for you. Investing can be one of the more complex concepts in personal finance, but it's also one of the most popular routes to financial independence and wealth building. Today, we'll help walk you through how to start investing. Take these steps if you want to start investing. Number 1, define your investment goals and risk tolerance. Consider why you want to invest and your risk appetite. Ensure your objectives align with your risk tolerance, as your outcomes will likely depend on the level of risk you're prepared to take on. Understanding your goals and their timelines will help determine the amount of risk you can afford to take and which investing accounts should be prioritized. Number 2, decide what you want to invest in and where you'll be investing. What you're investing for can help you choose which broker to go with. Different asset types will benefit different types of investors, as some will range in eligibility requirements, how long you can and should keep your investments for, and what you can buy as well. There are many assets you can invest in. At XTB, you can invest in and trade stocks, fractionals, ETFs, commodities, Forex, and indices. Number 3, pick a brokerage and open an account. If you're looking to take a more hands-on approach to building your portfolio, a brokerage account is the place to start. Brokerage accounts give you the ability to buy and sell stocks, mutual funds, and ETFs. You'll probably want a platform that makes things easy, offers good value, and keeps your money secure. After picking a brokerage, you can open an account with them. At XTB, it's very simple to get started on the XTB app. Simply download the app and get started trading and investing. And number 4, start investing. Subscribe to XTB to learn more about trading and investing.